Welcome, young masters of the universe. I've been observing you for so while, and I realized you guys got values in you. Now, with my magic wand, I will give you my powers. Alpha, you have the power of mind reading. Bravo, you have the power of turning water to ice. Charlie, you have the power of loading. Sunway, you have the power of invisibility. And Echo, you have the power of turning back time. I believe you all. I believe you all will support
call my mommy.
Oh no, what happened to you? Are you okay?
Mommy, I ran out of medicine.
My money was lost. I don't have money anymore to buy for you the medicine.
Huh? Mommy, I have to make a confession. I was the one who stole your money. You? Yes. Please forgive me. I just wanted to buy you a present. Sorry, forgive me. I promise that I will work hard to earn back the money. I will pay to you.
Think about what your father would say.
Wait! What have you been using with your powers?
Hello, Ate. Right, guys?
Very disappointed in you! Now, use your powers. I'll take your powers away from you. What? You know, guys, he showed integrity. He confessed to his mother that he stole his money. I'm actually very proud of you. Right, guys? And because of your integrity and your actions, I will heal you.
Oh my. I feel much better now. Thank you, superhero master. Now, try our powers. See if we really took it. Sing, sing, meow. Oh no! I'm not invisible. Never mind, okay. I believe that without my invisibility, I can still live on as long as I have my integrity intact. I can still be the best person I can ever be. Maria, my mom once taught me a lesson. No matter what I do, I must show integrity. So from now onwards, I will be very truthful to you and love you to the end.